Imagine yourself in this 2011 Chevrolet Impala Lieutenant. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are auto headlight on-off, side airbag system, fog lamps, tinted or privacy glass, cruise control, reading light, anti-theft security system, intermittent wipers, and multi-function steering wheel. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.